Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. That's a lot of glue. Can you stick it on your owl? I'm trying to put it on his ear. Why don't you put it on his tummy?
Mom, please. Mom, please. Please.
You're welcome. Okay. That's good.
Ow.
Owl, that's right. This will be fun to clean off later. Okay, let's put some feathers in it.